Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have an extra special yo-yo to review today. The Titanium Dream. So, this is not like a B grade or anything. This is like the real thing. It is, right now, one of my favorite yo-yos, and I'm really excited about it. It is really, really good. You can see it's the same thing as the normal Dream, except it's titanium, and I'm not going to spark it, because I don't want to do that to the edges of it yet. But yeah, you can see it says Titanium Dream YoyoFactory. It's the exact same as the regular Dream, but it's just titanium. It's really good. I don't really like the regular Dream that much, but this one is definitely worth it if you're gonna get a titanium yo-yo. I've tried regular finger grinds with it, but the paint on it, it's like glossy. You could kind of see it like holds your fingerprint on it. It's really glossy. It looks really neat, but it's just not one that you would want to get for grinds. Finger spins is the same thing. It's just not good for that kind of stuff. I don't like talon grinds. I mean, it's okay, but it slows down really fast. The bearing is a center track, and the response pads were teal. It spins forever and it's extremely light, so if you want to hit really fast combos, it's really easy. And because it's not like a regular kind of yo-yo where if it's really light, then it will spin for a short amount of time. It's going to spin a long time. It's one of my fastest spinning yo-yos, or longest spinning yo-yos. And if you see me doing this like kind of whip slack thing, that's just my routine for nationals, so I'm just kind of used to throwing into that for right now. This yo-yo would be an 11.5 out of 10 for me. It is a really good yo-yo for like any trick. You can go fast with it because it's so light, and you don't need to worry about it dying of no spin because it's super titanium-y. And it's like, I mean, the grinds and finger spins aren't like good at all, but that doesn't really mean anything because you can just do other random tricks with it, front style. This yo-yo is a really good yo-yo, and if you want to get a titanium yo-yo, this is the one you want to get. It's really insane for everything. Thank you all for watching the video, and see you in the next one.